9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we have liftoff of TDRS-M on the Atlas V rocket from Space Launch Complex 41. TDRS-M, securing space-to-ground communication for NASA's low Earth orbit operations, including the International Space Station.
Atlas beginning engine yaw maneuver to steer to its planned path at an inclination of 26.2 degrees.
Engine pressure.
You're hearing the voice of Patrick Moore providing launch vehicle ascent data. Patrick is the United Launch Alliance Denver Network Operations Center Command Control Center.
Pump speeds and injector pressures all looking good. Now
Reading the
passing
data coming
45
directly
seconds
from the
into
rocket.
flight.
The Atlas
And
rocket carrying
observing, nominal
TDRS-M will
flight
reach
control
supersonic
disturbance.
speed at 1 minute and 20 seconds into flight.
Now passing 1 minute into flight. Vehicle is now 3 miles in altitude and traveling at 1,100 miles per hour.
Standing by for max Q.
Now passing 1 minute 15 seconds into flight.
32 seconds into flight.
Mach 1, Atlas V is now supersonic. One minute 30 seconds into flight. Now passing through max Q, maximum dynamic pressure.
This is the point when mechanical stress on the rocket reaches its peak because of the rocket's velocity and resistance created by the
The
atmosphere.
RD-180 is throttled down to 95% thrust as expected. Engine response looks good. This engine thrust profile will continue until the vehicle reaches a programmed 5G acceleration limit.
About 2 minutes into the flight of
And now
Atlas.
passing 2 minutes into flight, approximately 2 minutes remaining in the first stage of flight. Vehicle trajectory traveling right down the middle of the range track, looking good. RD-180 engine operating parameters also looking good.
Booster engine cutoff slated for 4 minutes 2 seconds after launch.
The Atlas V rocket now weighs just 1/2 of what it did at launch, burning propellant at a rate of almost 2,600 pounds per second. And vehicle has gone to closed loop guidance. Now passing 2 minutes 30 seconds into flight.